Hey there, health explorers. Welcome to a journey through time and fitness. Ever wondered where the magical 10,000 steps a day target originated from? It's a fascinating story that combines culture, marketing, and a bit of science. Turns out it wasn't some groundbreaking scientific study, it was marketing. Yes, you heard that right. Back in the 1960s, a Japanese company launched a pedometer called Manpo-K, meaning 10,000 steps meter. Catchy, right? This clever marketing strategy was designed to encourage people to walk more. This marketing campaign struck a chord, and the 10,000 step goal took root in our collective consciousness. People began to embrace this new fitness trend with enthusiasm. The idea was simple: walk more, feel better. It was an easy-to-remember target that motivated people to get moving. But was there any scientific backing to this arbitrary number? Did it really make a difference in our health and well-being? The truth is, the 10,000 step target wasn't initially based on rigorous research. It was more of a guideline than a scientifically proven benchmark. But don't ditch your pedometers just yet. There's more to the story. As the idea gained traction, scientists started investigating the benefits of walking, and their findings are pretty interesting. They discovered that walking can indeed have significant health benefits. So let's step into the world of science and see what the evidence reveals. Join us as we explore the fascinating intersection of marketing, culture, and science in the world of fitness. Okay, so 10,000 steps might have started as a marketing ploy, but is there any truth to it? Let's dive deeper into the science behind this popular fitness goal. Research has shown that yes, aiming for 10,000 steps a day can have positive effects on your health. This number isn't just arbitrary, it encourages a level of activity that can help maintain a healthy lifestyle. Studies show that people who walk more tend to have lower risks of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Regular walking can be a simple yet effective way to improve cardiovascular health and manage weight. Walking can also improve your mood, sleep, and energy levels. The act of walking releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and can help you feel more energized and less stressed. But the magic number might not be universal. Different people have different needs and capabilities, and it's important to find a goal that works for you. Some studies suggest that even 7,500 steps can be beneficial, especially for older adults. This lower target can still provide significant health benefits without being overwhelming. Others argue that the intensity and duration of your walks matter more than the number of steps. A brisk walk or a longer duration can sometimes be more beneficial than simply hitting a step count. So while 10,000 steps is a great goal, don't sweat it if you fall short occasionally. The key is to stay active and find a routine that you enjoy and can stick with in the long run. Can't hit 10,000 steps every day. No worries, it's not the end of the world if you miss a day or two. There are plenty of other ways to stay healthy and active. Explore activities that suit your lifestyle and preferences. Remember, any movement is better than none. Even light stretches or a casual walk with your dog can make a difference. Incorporate more movement into your day-to-day life. Simple changes can have a big impact. Take the stairs instead of the lift. It's a small change that adds up over time. Walk or cycle to work or do some gardening. These activities not only keep you fit, but also bring joy and relaxation. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, or playing a sport. Enjoyment is key to maintaining a healthy routine. Don't forget about strength training. It's essential for overall fitness. Lifting weights or doing bodyweight exercises helps build muscle, which supports your daily activities. Building muscle is crucial for a healthy metabolism and strong bones. Consult a professional to get started on the right path. Section 4, finding your fitness footing. The key takeaway is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. 10,000 steps is a great target, but it's not a magic bullet. Listen to your body, find activities you enjoy, and make gradual changes to your lifestyle. Consult your doctor or a certified fitness professional to create a personalized plan that suits your needs and goals. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate small victories and embrace the process of becoming healthier and happier. Section 5, in conclusion, your health, your way. So, do you really need 10,000 steps a day? It's not that simple. While hitting that magic number can be beneficial, it's not the only path to good health. Focus on incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, whatever that may look like for you. Move your body, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey.